Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. Oneplus is popular for upper mid-range smartphone, providing a flagship level specification at half the price. But OnePlus 8 series was launched back in April 2020. Two smartphones were announced, OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro, although the two devices came up with the top-notch specification but failed to impress the fans. Since OnePlus 8 is all about more value, but the series was priced more compared to the previous generation of OnePlus devices. The OnePlus 8 starts at $699, whereas the Pro variant starts at $899, which is quite an increment from the previous generation, and I won't go in detail here, but you got the point right. Now there are more opportunities for OnePlus to launch their devices like a mid-range phones, and we are already expecting it with the OnePlus 8 launch, but sadly it didn't come. But now we have got a hint that OnePlus 8 mid-range devices aka OnePlus Z is coming, and the accuracy of the claim is no more than the Geekbench listing, which not only shows us that the device is real but also reveals some major specification for that particular device. The OnePlus Z Geekbench listing doesn't reveal that the name, but the model number is coming for the device is going to be AC2003, and according to Geekbench listing, the OnePlus 8C 2003 model features a Qualcomm Lite, which is actually a resemble of Snapdragon 765G SoC. Moreover, the device is featuring a 12 gigs of RAM and rocks an Android 10 on top of that. And talking about the performance of the device, the OnePlus Z is going to have a score of 612 points in a single core test and 1955 points in multi-core test. Now if we recall, OnePlus Z was first expected to feature a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 chipset, but the Geekbench listing disapproved it, and another theory came up with that might be C2 smartphone, one which is going to be the OnePlus Z that will be coming with a flagship level Dimensity 1000 chipset at around $400 and $500 of a price tag, while the other variant OnePlus AC 2003 will feature a Snapdragon 765G and will be priced around $300 to $400 of a price tag. This series makes sense since it was captured multiple markets for OnePlus, but you can completely agree or disagree since assuming OnePlus Z is a AC 2003, it should be big threat to another Chinese brand since OnePlus provided one of the best software experience in the market, and the chipset used on the OnePlus Z is a Snapdragon 765G, which is a mid-range 5G chipset and is already seen on many other phones. That is, Snapdragon 765G is based on 7nm architecture and comes with an Adreno 620 GPU, and it is currently one of the best Qualcomm chipset after Snapdragon 855. So overall, this device is expected to launch in coming days, and we might see the price tag of that particular device is going to be on the lower side, and we expect that OnePlus will going to be increase in the sales of their device. So that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.